How to fix the invalid MMI code on Android. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to provide you with some quick fixes that we can follow up to fix the invalid MMI code. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So the fixes usually involve we can access our quick settings panels and look out for the option called flight mode. So you can just go over and turn on the airplane mode option for 10 seconds and then again turn it off in order to refresh the network connection. So just go over and do so and you should be able to refresh it. That is one of the fix and you can try getting the MMI code. Apart from that, what we can do is we can just go over and restart our phone. So hold the power button for that and look out for the restart option on your screen. Go ahead and tap on it. A standard reboot can resolve minor software glitches causing the error. You can follow out this method. Also, you can check your SIM settings. So go to settings for that. And once you do so, if you are using dual SIMs, you can try switching the default calling SMS SIM or disabling the unused SIM in the settings. So go to connections for that. And look out for mobile networks or SIM card manager. And you can just go over and turn on the toggle or turn it off for one of the SIMs. And if the issue still persists, you can boot in safe mode to rule out the third-party application conflicts. So hold the power button for that and look out for power off, hold it up. And then you should be finding an option called safe mode. You can use this option right here to rule out the third-party application conflicts. Apart from that, you can go ahead and reset network settings. If nothing else works, go to settings for that. Go to general management. And inside here, tap on reset. And go ahead and tap on reset network settings to clear out the network bugs. And also turn off the phone, remove the SIM, clean it, and insert it again to properly ensure connection. But these are probably the fixes you can try out for now. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and also subscribe for more.